Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to use the revolve command in Creo. So to start with, I have opened it in a new window with MMNS as the default unit, that is millimeter. So we can go to the option revolve directly and now select the reference plane. So I am selecting here front plane as the reference plane. Go to the option sketch view and the line command. So to use the revolve command, it is basically used for the objects where there is a symmetrical shape about the axis, and we can create only half of the section, and if you use the revolve command it can be created. So suppose we have created here a section in this way. So if we are not closing it and simply revolving it, then also there will be a hole at the center around the axis. So I have not taken any dimension. Click on OK. We will learn the command in this video and then we will further see the engineering applications of it. So click on OK. There is no solid geometry in the model to intersect with this feature. Therefore, the sketch must be closed. If you continue, the feature type will be automatically changed to surface. OK. Now see here, for the revolve 360 degree is selected and we need to select the axis. So select one atom, it is prompting, that is select a straight curve or a edge or a axis. So this y axis I want to select. So see, once I select the y axis, it will generate a revolve command in this way. So click on OK. So this command can be easily, revolve command is used basically to create a pulley or the objects which are which can be having any cross section but are axis symmetric. Now it is not necessary that it should be always 360 degree. Suppose there is any application or drawing where we want to keep it to a suppose 180 degree only. So if you go to the option edit and select here 180, enter. So half of this section can also be created. Since we have not closed it, it is showing us it has taken default way as a surface. Again we will see some different application where there is a solid geometry or it is taking it as a part file instead of surface. So go to the option file, new. OK. Again the same unit, that is MMNS part solid, and click on OK. The option of axis display, point display is available here. So plane display I will switch it on and axis display. Now again I am selecting the top surface this time and go to the option revolve, sketch view. Now this time the sketch is closed. so that there will be a solid part. Now see these extra lengths, we can delete it by going into this option, that is edit, and then delete segment. Again the same way this extra part can be deleted, and click on OK. Select the axis about which we want to revolve it. Or either way we can create a separate axis as well, so that this can be easily visible to us. Go to the option sketch view. Now create a center line. Okay. Now see the axis is visible properly. And go to the revolve command. So it will automatically take the axis that we have created. And if you click on OK, the command is completed. Switch on this shading. Go to the option shading with reflections, or only shading with edges, and switch off this all axis display and plane display. So if you click on any of the surface, left mouse key, the sketch will be properly visible. Now the same way, if you want to edit it, you can go to the option again, revolve, edit. So we can edit this revolve command, suppose 270 degree, and click on OK. So see, it will be visible in this way. Again, if you click on any of the surface, it will be visible, so that green lines will get switched off and we will be able to see the object properly. In next video, we will see the engineering applications, objects where there is a revolve command, and by using revolve command we will try to create a model. Okay, thank you.